Okay, good morning, all of you. Okay, now I'm going to start the class. Please, all of you ready with your notebook and pen. Yesterday, I already have told you people that you have to say five sentences, 9 sentences, each one of you. Okay. So who is going to speak first? Hello. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can we start the class right now? Okay, who is first going to say about this question words? The question words. Who is first going to say me the 9 sentences? Will you
Ma'am,
please?
can I?
Srishti, okay.
Question words are whose, which, who, why, whom, what, where, when, and how.
Yeah.
Examples of whose. First of all, whose is used for possession. Example of whose. Whose book is this? Whose little brother is he? Whose ambition is to be a doctor? Whose letters do you receive? Whose house do they live in? Whose books do you
Srishti,
buy?
Srishti,
Yes, ma'am.
only
Yes, ma'am.
one sentence you have to say.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
9 words, one sentences for each word.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now, which is used for choice. For example, which chocolate do you prefer, Kit Kat or Dairy Milk? Next, who. Who is used for person. For example, who is that boy? Next is why. Why is used for reason. For example, why are you sleeping? Next word is whom. Whom is used for object. For example, whom do you refer for this post? Next word is what. What is used for object, idea, or action? For example, what does the author think of? Next word is where. Where is used for place. For example, where do you live? Next word is when. When is used for time. For example, when did you last see him? And the last word is how. How is used for manner. For example, how was your exam? Ma'am, completed.
Yeah, very good. You have prepared 9 sentences.
Yes, ma'am. I thought you told to complete 9 sentences.
No, 9 sentences. No. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next will. Kanhaiya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanhaiya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Manish. Okay, Manish.
Yes, ma'am. Whose are these books? Next is whom did you see? Next is what are you doing now? Next is where does
One
he
minute.
live?
What are you doing now? Na? You can say it like this. What are you doing right now?
Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing now? Is it what are you doing right now?
I am ready now, ma'am.
Yeah.
Where has the barat come from?
Where has the?
Why has the barat come from?
Okay.
Why are you weeping? When did he go? Who is that player? How was your exam? In which district do you live? Okay, ma'am. Okay. No.
Okay.
और बोलना है
Next.
मैम.
No. Next will.
Ma'am.
Priyanka.
Ma'am.
You are Priyanka.
First question word is who.
Hmm?
Who is used for a person. For example, who were you talking to? And
Who were
second
you
one is
talking
what?
to? ये कैसा सेंटेंस है बताओ तो जी. Who were you talking to?
No, I mean who is your family doctor?
Okay, yeah.
And what it is used for object, idea, or an action.
Okay,
What is your favorite subject? For
yeah.
example, and it is used for choice. Which do you prefer, tea
Yeah.
or coffee?
Okay,
Why? It is used for a reason.
yeah.
Why were you late?
Okay,
And where? It is used for a place.
yeah.
Where do you live? And when? It is used for a time or date. For example, when do you go to work? And
Okay.
whose?
Yeah.
We used whose for a possession. Possession. Whose is this book?
Hmm.
Whom? We used it for ask about people. Whom did you meet? How? We used it for a manner. How was your day? Or how was your exam? That's it, ma'am.
Okay, next who will? Kanaya, it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, first, who?
Yeah.
Who knows English very well?
Yeah.
Second, whose? Whose class is this? Third one, what? What are you doing right now?
Hmm.
Fourth one, why? Why are you crying? Fifth, where? Where are you going? Sixth, how? How you come to college?
Yeah.
Seventh, whose team are you in? Eight, when you call me. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, next who will?
Ma'am,
Shishir. Okay,
Hello.
Shishir.
ma'am, whose turn is it?
Hmm?
Whose turn is it?
Okay.
Whom will you send for? What time is it? Where did you plan to go for vacation?
Okay.
Why is the sky so blue?
Next.
When did this happen? Who's that boy? How much will you give them trophies? How much will you give them trophies? Okay. Which is more important, online class or offline class?
You are giving the answer or you are saying
Ma'am,
which is more important, online class or offline? You are saying, na?
offline class.
What
I
was your
better like
sentence?
offline
Please
class?
repeat the sentence.
Which is more important, online class or offline class?
That means you are giving some options. Means preferably
No,
which is
ma'am.
important. Means which you prefer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
1 minute. Huh?
Which,
When you have tell this,
yes.
means you have tell this sentence, then I am going to say you something. Some question words which we are having this kind of questions. Sometimes we are having such questions that we don't need to answer complete in a sentence. We used to answer that things in yes or no. Yes
ma'am.
or no? Some question we are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
about that you only have to give the answer in yes or no. Suppose I
ma'am.
used to say you, have you completed your assignment? What you will say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Will you say me in a sentence that yes, I have completed my assignment? Or you will say yes, I have completed. Or you will say yes. What you will say?
I will say yes.
You will say yes. If I will say,
Yes, ma'am.
will you prefer to go to college in this situation? What you will say? Yes or no?
No.
No. So some questions marks are like that when you have to answer in yes or no.
No.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you have understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I change the sentence?
Yeah, you can change this sentence. You can't give such type of sentence where you want to them prefer. You are
Yes, ma'am.
preferring them whether you want it or not. The sentence should be in an adequate manner.
Which?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Please change the
I'm
sentence
thinking,
and say.
which would you prefer more, online class or offline class?
Yeah. Next.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. Next to Will.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ranu. Okay.
whose car is this? Next, with whose car is this?
Okay. Ranu, if you are
Next.
speaking from a headphone, please bring the mouthpiece nearby your mouth.
Okay. Ma'am, can I again start?
Yeah.
Whose car is this? Next, with whom do you want to go? Next, what is that? Next, where are you going for this weekend? Next, how do you manage all these works? Next, which book do you want? Next, why are you going? Next, when you are going to start? Next, who is this?
Okay. Okay, now I will come back to you people after few minutes. Now I'm going to discuss, already Shishir has told me something. Today I will discuss on this yes or no types of questions, okay? So if my screen is visible to you people, then please say me that your screen is right now visible. I'm just
No.
here. No, right now it is not visible because I have not started sharing only. Okay, I will start sharing. Wait, just a minute. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am. Still loading. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday up to where we have done? I think we have done up to yeah. Like ask the quantity, note, yeah. A special pattern with Y. Have we completed this one yesterday's class? No, we have not completed, I think of. Who and whom? Yeah, we will start from this who and whom. Okay, so now I'm starting with who and whom. So where do we use who and whom? When who is the object, we can use whom instead. And one more thing, I will upload this note today in the Google Classroom, okay? You people will just go once, you can see there. Who and whom? When who is the object, we can use whom instead. Whom did you invite? Whom is the formal and rather old-fashioned. Who is more common in everyday speech. Can you say me who and whom? Any sentences from who and any sentences from whom? Can you say me, any one of you? Who are
What,
you?
ma'am?
Who are you? Who are you? Answer me.
Manish, ma'am. Manish.
So this is a question or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Who have
ma'am.
invited you? Who have invited you to join this Google Classroom?
It's you, ma'am.
It's me.
You, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
To whom you are talking right now?
With you, ma'am.
you, ma'am.
With me. So this kind of questions is also there. Who and whom. You can use who or you can use whom. Okay. The pattern with whom is formal. Okay. Now next. How. What happened? I don't know. What is this?
आज हम बनाने वाले
What is this? Actually, what happened? I only don't know. Okay, wait. Yeah, now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how? How can express means how are you? How your teachers behave with you? How your colleagues behave with you? How your studies are going on? है ना? So, how can express means of manner. How do you open this bottle? You open this bottle somehow. How did the children behave? The children behaved well, badly. So, how represent manner? Next one, when it expresses degree, how can come before an adjective or adverb? How wide is the river? How soon can you let me know? What does this mean? How soon? How soon का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by this? How soon?
It's
बहुत
referred
जल्दी,
to
ma'am.
time.
बहुत?
It's
Ma'am,
referred to
कितने
time.
जल्दी?
Yes.
जल्दी.
So, is it clear for you people? Now, we also use how as an adjective or an adverb in friendly inquiries about someone's well-being, enjoyment, or progress. Suppose in this pandemic situation, we used to ask, how are you? How your family members are? How your studies are going on? How are you getting on at college? How your examination is being conducted? So, what things we are getting from these sentences? That how much progress work is being going on, or we want to know someone is well or not. Okay, so this is how. Note. Now there is something which you have to remember. What like asks about quality. Sometimes it has a very similar meaning to how. Now, example. How was the film? What was the film like? Both things are similar. In this first sentence, how was the film? Film कैसा था? What was the film like? वो film कैसा था?
Yes, ma'am. एक ही जैसा है, ma'am.
हाँ?
Same.
एक ही जैसा. So,
Same, ma'am.
meaning is same. Meaning
Yes.
same है ना? There is a similar meaning.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
तो
ma'am.
ये क्या हो जा रहा है? How को हम कभी-कभी क्या होता है? What के साथ भी हम how को either from how we can show the sentence from what also. Both have similar meanings. Both ask for the quality. दोनों किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? फिल्म का क्वालिटी कैसा था? Is it? If I say, how was the film? What was the film like? Both are asking about the quality of that film. Both have the similar meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
But how और what में हमको कोई अंतर लगा यहाँ पे? नहीं ना. तो हम how के जगह पे what से भी किसी क्वेश्चन को आस्क कर सकते हैं. But what क्या होता है? Like. किसके जैसा? कभी कभी हम बोलते हैं ना, वो किसके जैसा दिखता है? Does he looks like his father or his mother? कभी कोई बेबी बॉर्न होता है, हम उसको देखने जाते हैं फैमिली रिलेटिव में, कैसे बोलते हैं वो किसके जैसा दिखता है? नहीं नहीं, वो तो अपने पापा पे ही गया है, नहीं नहीं वो तो अपनी मम्मी पे गया है, नहीं वो दोनों के जैसे हुआ देखने में. We used to say ना, how he looks like? No, he looks like his father. No, he looks like. Many people gives him many opinions. So what क्या किसके लिए होता है? Like. Now, how's your brother? Oh, he is fine. What your brother like? What's your brother like? Well, he much quieter than me. मेरा भाई मेरे से काफी शांत है. तुम्हारा भाई किसके जैसा है? मेरा भाई तो मेरे से बहुत शांत है. What does your brother look like? तुम्हारा ब्रदर कैसा दिखता है? He is taller than me. He is shorter than me. He is having short haircut. He is used to keep long hairs. Like जब होता है मतलब क्या? What is his quality? How we can identify someone by his qualities. Next one, a special pattern with why. Why का यूज किस लिए होता है? स्पेशल पैटर्न में क्या यूज होता है? why इससे पहले हम लोग पढ़े हैं. Why you people are shouting? Why you people are not paying attention in the class? Why you people are always busy with your phones? What does it means? तो why हम कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं? For asking the reason. Yesterday also I've told you why we use for the reason. We want the answer from you. What is the reason? हम लोग ये चीज बोल सकते हैं ना, why की जगह पे what is the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask some question like this to you? What is the reason behind doing such type of nonsense activities? Why you are doing such nonsense types of activities? Both are same? Both have same meaning? Both are asking
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
कब हो रहा? Why का यूज कहाँ हो रहा? Verb. जब हम कोई काम को कर रहे हैं. If we are doing some activities, then only we are using why. कि हम लोग किसी के भी आगे
Yes,
लगा
ma'am.
सकते हैं. बिना एक्टिविटीज के साथ क्या हम why लगा सकते हैं? If we are not doing any kind of activities, can we use the why? सोचो, कोई एक्टिविटीज हम नहीं करेंगे तो उस जगह पे हम क्या क्वेश्चन में why लगा सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
नहीं. क्यों? why
Ma'am.
जब भी हम पूछेंगे तो हमको रीजन चाहिए. आप क्यों कर रहे हो? क्यों? why क्यों कर रहे हो? So there is always an activity so that we can use why. Now examples I have given. Why the panic? Look at your prices. Why pay more? दुकान में होता है ना कभी कभी. Now as the situation is there in this corona, shopkeepers are taking more rates sometimes in some of the products. Why not stay for a while? Why don't you stay for a while? Why should you pay more? What is the reason for the panic? This sentence, why the panic, what is the reason for the panic, is both same or not? दोनों का एक मीनिंग है.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर दोनों का एक ही होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Why the panic? इसमें हम क्या आंसर देंगे?
Due to this COVID situation.
क्या? What is the reason for the panic?
This COVID situation.
Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, modifying a question word. Modifying a question word. We can use an adverb to modify a question word or phrase when exactly you are coming back. Just what will tomorrow bring? Please answer all of you. Just what will tomorrow bring? Please answer me.
Tomorrow will bring happiness and prosperity in our society.
Next. Next, any one of you, please try. Let's try. What exactly you are coming back? When exactly you are coming back?
Don't know, ma'am.
So, 1 minute. So why we are using these types of word? Exactly, just, about. Why we are using exactly, just and about? कुछ तो कारण होगा ना, why we are using this kind of word?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? This is my question, why?
To get a particular question, to get a particular answer.
To get a particular answer. Next, anyone want to try? Exactly का यूज कब करते हैं हम? You know, we use exactly before any kind of amount, any kind of number, the exact time.
Yes, ma'am.
Not more, not less. It should be the exact time.
Exact. Yes, ma'am. Exact.
Okay?
For a point
Not
of
more,
time.
not less. जो एक्चुअली होगा वही चीज, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एग्जैक्टली.
Exact.
ओके. और जस्ट का यूज क्यों करते हैं? Why we use just?
तुरंत के लिए
तुरंत. बट वो क्या हुआ? That has
Yes, ma'am.
happened recently for a short time.
Yes, ma'am.
That has happened shortly in a recent time, or just it has already happened for a short while. वो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लिया. जस्ट कभी कभी देखना, वी आर यूजिंग दिस जस्ट मोस्टली विद द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में यूज करते हैं जस्ट का हम लोग. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में और पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में यूज करते हैं. देखना, हैव बीन, हैड बीन. जस्ट का यूज हम लोग देखना हैड बीन और हैव बीन में यूज करते हैं. ओके. और अबाउट, अबाउट का यूज कब करते हैं हम लोग? व्हेन वी यूज अबाउट?
किसी के बारे में बताने के लिए.
किसी के बारे में बताने के
बताने
लिए.
के लिए. और
ये कहाँ यूज होता है? प्रीपोजिशन में यूज होता है, एडजेक्टिव में यूज होता है, किस में यूज होता है? You know, about can be used as a preposition.
yes,
About can be used as a preposition, which used to mean
ma'am.
that we are talking on a particular subject that we are concerning of.
Yes, ma'am.
About adverb में भी यूज हो सकता है. You know, कब यूज होता है adverb में?
No, ma'am. Idea. Not idea.
Adverb में यूज हो सकता है क्या about?
When it used before verb.
And
Yes, ma'am. हो सकता है.
कैसे हो सकता है? Without the noun.
जैसे कि
Without following a
noun.
noun, about can be an adverb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is clear. I hope these things you have people have not read about previously. What things you are now reading about? Okay, now I'm moving. Okay, so else has the meaning other. With whom else you are talking rather than me? मेरे सिवा किससे बात कर रहे हो? What else should I do? What other things? Who else did you invite? We can emphasize the questions by using on earth. What on earth will tomorrow bring? Excuse me. We can also use ever. Whatever can the matter be? However did you manage to find us? Whoever invited that awful man. Awful का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of awful? Anyone? I've used this word awful man. Anyone of you?
Generally.
Awful का मतलब generally. Unpleasant.
Often, ma'am,
Who
na.
has invited this very bad man? We used to say, na, he's a disgusting person.
Ma'am, bad or pleasant?
Very
Bad
bad.
or unpleasant?
Very bad. जो bad से भी खराब होता है, very bad. That very bad.
Okay, ma'am.
This disgusting word जो use करता है ना, disgusting and very bad, both things are same. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
This means that the speaker has no idea what the answer is. The emphasis often expresses surprise. The speaker is surprised that someone invited that awful man. Now, overview of these question words. I am going to hear with overview of the question words. What are those question words? Who, whom, happened. Who, won, pronoun. Pronoun. What class क्या है? Pronoun. Something, someone, that, what. What is sport? What is sport? Which is sport? Which one is best? Who is the best? Which is or which are best? One of them. Some of them. None of them. All of them. Okay, these things you will just go through it once more. I will just upload it in this Google Classroom. Next one is that how can come before a noun? What can come before a noun? What time is that next train? What color shirt was he wearing? What kind of? Kind of में क्या होता है? Type of भी हो सकता है, short of भी हो सकता है. Computer have you got? What make is your car? Sorry, what make is your car? It's a, we use what, about, how, about to draw attention to something or to make a suggestion. What about, how about all this rubbish? Who is going to take it away? What about, how about some lunch? Good idea. Just chill. Just go for an outing. What are you thinking of? Yeah, it's a good idea. How can come before an adjective or an adverb? How old is this building? How far did you walk? How often does the machine need servicing? Once a year. The answer you just see, how often does the machine need servicing? We can say once a year. How far did you walk? A mile, a kilometer, a half kilometer? Here we don't used to have to answer in a full sentence. Now, it can also come before many or much. How many people live in the building? 12. The answer is very short. How much is the cheap ticket? Now, next, note. How come is an informal phrase, meaning why there is no inversion. How come all these papers have been left here? I am in the middle of sorting them out. Answering questions. How long is an answer? Didn't you hear about the bank robbery? No. Or we can say, no, I have got a news. What color? Brown. How do you like? Do you like school? Yes, I like. It's fine. I like. I used to go. How? You haven't got central heating? No, we haven't. How long do you practice? About half an hour? About 10 minutes? How long do you exercise? How long do you exercise? No, I don't. I didn't. I go to gym. No, I don't do exercise. See, she have said na, yes or no, the preferably types. Yes or no, we can answer some things like yes and no matter also. These are the things whether we can answer in a sentence or we can not answer in a sentence. Now, positive, negative. Is it raining? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Have you finished? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Can we turn right here? Yes, we can. No, we can't. In simple tense, we use the auxiliary do. Do you play the piano? Yes, I do. Now, you people, my question, my assignment for you people, please note it down. All of you, you have to make questions, words with yes and no. Got it? With yes and no, you have to make five questions. You have to make five questions with yes and no. Can you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5 questions for yes,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
5 no.
Yeah, 5 questions for yes and 5 questions for no. Like this pattern, okay? Is it raining? Positive and negative. Like this. Something you have to write here, any one of the questions. After that, you have to write in the positive form and in the negative form. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next one. In simple tense, we use the auxiliary do. Do you play the piano? Yes, I do. Like this type, you don't have to make. Do you play the piano? Yes, no, I isn't. Like this, okay? Your home assignment. Now, in these examples, the question has be on its own as an ordinary verb. Is the chemist open today? No, it isn't. Are you warm enough? Yes, I am. We often add relevant information or comment after a simple yes or no, or after the short answer. Were you late? Yes, I missed the bus. Yes, he can say the yes, but after that he used to have some comment, relevant comment. For what reason he was late? Yes, why? I missed the bus. Were you late? Yes, I was. I missed the bus. Did Carl find his wallet? No, unfortunately no. यहाँ पे unfortunately के बाद not हम use नहीं करेंगे. No, क्योंकि हमने no बहुत time होता ना. When we used to have no, unfortunately not. He have found still right now. We don't have to answer like this. No, unfortunately. Did Carl find his wallet? No, he didn't. Unfortunately. In some context, yes, no, or a short answer on its own can sound abrupt and not very polite. We can sometimes use another phrase instead of yes or no. Were you late? I am afraid. I was. Of course, I wasn't. Okay. Next one. Negative question. My phone is out of order. Sherry, I will tell you more when I see you next week. Anna, can't you ring me? No, unfortunately, my phone is still out of order. Anna, haven't they repaired it yet? Clary, no. It's an awful nuisance. It's over a week now. Here what we are getting? A conversation of negative questions that always the answers are in negative part. Is it?